Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to install our replacement thumb grips on the Renault Sport steering wheel. You can see here the common fault of worn thumb grips, which ruin the look of the steering wheel. Our thumb grips are extremely easy to fit and will improve the appearance of the steering wheel instantly. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver or a pick, start to remove the old thumb grip from the steering wheel, being careful when doing this not to damage the leather part of the steering wheel. Dig the pick or the screwdriver into the side of the thumb grip, slowly working your way round, lifting the thumb grip. Some thumb grips may be easier to remove than others, depending on how much glue they have been fitted with in the factory. Once you have the thumb grip starting to lift, you will see some glue on the centre of it. This will also need to be removed. Again, from the back side of the steering wheel, work your way around the thumb grip, lifting it from the edges. Any glue on the centre you will now be able to see and dig out. Again, take care not to damage the leather part of the steering wheel. Once the thumb grip is removed, there may be small amounts of the thumb grip left on the steering wheel which will need to be removed before fitting the new thumb grip. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver or pick again, remove the parts of the thumb grip that are left or the lumps of glue that are left. Make sure the surface is nice and clean to allow the new thumb grip to seat correctly. Again, take care not to damage the steering wheel. Once all the old glue has been removed and you're happy the surface is clean enough to fit the new thumb grip, apply fresh glue in the seating area of the new thumb grip. Apply glue to the centre part also. This will give extra grip when fitting. Start from the back, running glue along the edges and on the centre part. Once you have applied the glue, it's time to fit the new thumb grip. Slot the thumb grip in, making sure it is seated correctly from the front and also from the back. Once you're happy it's in the right position, it's worth gripping the thumb grip for around 30 seconds to ensure it remains seated correctly while the glue goes off. This completes the repair. You can see here the thumb grip successfully fitted and the improvement in the look of the steering wheel. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643, or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.